Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter, here at the workbench, flattening out a piece of old wood. This came from my yard tree when a branch fell off of it. And then we took the tree down for safety's sake because it was fairly close to the house. And I managed to save a little something out of it. Clutter on the workbench. And yes, there's a bucket there. And that's not flat at all. We've got a bump right there and right there. Oh, let's see. So I hope you're having a good day. For us up here, summer is over. Usually, and this is just an observation, but usually it begins to end. Summer begins to end. Begins to end. I don't know. English language for me is tough. Right about the time when some of the first hurricanes start showing up. The weather patterns shift. And then the heat breaks, the rains return, and the next thing you know, Old Man Winter's here. Taking off a little bit too heavy of a cut there for this old man. So, this tree by many arborists is considered a less than perfect tree for planting in urban settings because the timber is somewhat weak as a tree, and so therefore branches break. It is in the maple family, and this one happens to have curly grain as well. Almost there. Might be flat enough to just simply show you what we got here. I've been saving this piece all these years, not knowing what may become of it. Well, for right now, it's going to be, what wood is that, Walt? We're still a rockin', corner to corner. Hope you're having a good day and the weather's good by you. I don't know, I've become used to my number 6. A little bit more. All right, let's take one more pass across to smooth it out. That's real pretty. Normally, as a flat sawn wood, it's sort of blah. You know, blah is a technical term. I will tell you this much. You know, if you have one of these trees, every year, when it sets its seeds, we used to call them polynoses, but there's a technical term, I'm sure, for them. They're winged seed pods. There we go. All right. Good enough. Look at the chatoyance in that wood. Can you guess which maple that is? That is silverleaf maple. And I have a note on the side here from silver maple from the south side of our house. I tested it for moisture in 2017, but it was taken down 20 years prior to that. So probably 95, 6, 7, something like that. So that's it, everyone. Silverleaf maple. Head out to your workshop. Go make some shavings. Walter out.